Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and if you are looking for quicker pro plugin for your WordPress website, then in this video I will guide you how you can purchase it from Bloggingify store and how we can deliver it to on your WordPress website. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box, so just check the description link and you will redirect this type of product page. Here we mention each and everything related to this product and how we can provide the installation. This is the quick guide. Wait, I will explain you later. And we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins from our bloggingify.com/store. Here you can explore, and if you need anything else, so just click on this search icon and type what you need. Basically we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins, so you can purchase it from here. We sell original product, we don't sell crack and null item, so you can trust us. Okay, so in this video we'll talk about quicker pro plugin for your WordPress website. So here's the few details about this product, so let me explain you. Uses for one domain, updatability, lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually, we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us and we will install your plugin with our original license key in a few minutes. That is a simple process. License type, original license key we have, so you will receive automatic updates from your WordPress website. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, last name and email address and your WhatsApp number with your country code, and confirm your payment via your favorite payment method. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect this tab of thank you page. Here you can see a download button, so just click on it and you will receive our PM contact support there. So just send your website temporary access with us and we will install your plugin in a few minutes. That's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video, and if you have any doubt you can do a comment in comment section. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video.